I found Tracfone by doing an internet search of the various cell phone providers and started comparing who offered what, how much they wanted, and decided that Tracfone offered me the best value, bang for the buck.
I looked at all the other prepaid plans at the retail store, and Tracfone came out the cheapest, and it looked the best.
Well, I did the research, and that's definitely one of the best companies. I liked the price and the service is being good.
I saw an advertisement for Tracfone, I think it was on the internet, talking about how you could have a telephone, use it when you want it, and there was no contract requirement.
She didn't want to pay a monthly fee or a monthly bill.
That is true.
And so when we heard about Tracfone, we decided we'll give it a try, and that was 7 years ago.